Hey, this is one of the most important video because as a freelancer who has been working for over 2 decades and has been teaching for the last 6 years, I come across so many questions. Freelancers primarily complaining about being ripped off, and they fall prey to scams such as client asking them to come to Telegram, and all they are looking for is the followers on their Telegram account, and that's about it. And the second thing is they're asking, or they ask money upfront from freelancers with a condition that once the money hits their account or their Bitcoin wallet or whatever it is, they will award freelancer a project. These two are the ugliest forms of scams on freelance marketplaces. If someone sends you a message requesting you to come to Telegram, you should be alarmed straight away that it's a scam. And likewise, if someone is asking you for upfront money with a pledge of awarding you the project, it doesn't work, because as a freelancer you are on freelance marketplaces only to earn money, not to give money to the clients. The only money you give is to the marketplaces for upgrading your profile, for purchasing connects on Upwork, or purchasing bids on other freelance marketplaces, or even if you are on Fiverr, you pay Fiverr to escalate to the next level, which is Fiverr Pro, and then Fiverr team reviews your profile and your gig, and then if they like what they see, they can put a stamp or a flag on your profile, which goes as Pro, Fiverr Pro. But as a freelancer, please do not fall prey to the scams of Telegram upfront money. It doesn't work, hasn't worked, and it is all fake scams. They are ripping you off.